Good afternoon, folks. Bill Wren, bar chef in Albany, New York. I'm always making new cocktails, trying to put a spin on classics, looking for new products to use. Recently came upon Pristine Vodka, which is a high-quality, crisp, clean vodka. Today we're going to be making our wild grape sour with Pristine Vodka, grape aquafaba, and lemon juice. It's 2 ounces of Pristine Vodka, 3/4 ounces of aquafaba, which is a chickpea water infused with sugar and grapes that I recently made. 1 squeeze of a half lemon. A good shake on it. Strained. And then a quick dry shake just to get a little more foam out of it. Then we add a few oak tannins to enhance the essence of the grapes. And there you have your wild grape sour. Cheers. Hope to see you in the next video.